Hi, I'm Kate, and this is Vitamin K. And today I want to talk about working within our limitations to feel like we have purpose. So often, people who have chronic illness, myself included, have sort of the life they had before taken away from them in a lot of ways. In my former life, I was an athlete. I was very active. I grew up on a farm. I rode horses, and a lot of the things that I used to do, I can no longer do. So you kind of sometimes we get in that mind frame of I can't do this, I can't do this, I can't do this. I canceled on my friends again. I tried to walk and I got dizzy. On and on and on and on. So today's exercise is to help you change that stream of thinking from negative into positive. Even though you may not be able to do all the things you used to do, or even all the things you would like to do every day, you still have gifts that you can give to this world and that you can give to yourself. So the tip for today is if you have a journal, sometimes we have these beautiful journals people give to us, make use of it. Now, I'm also an English professor, so this is right up my alley. I think writing is an incredible therapy for people. But what I'd like for you to do today, write down 3 things that you can do today. 3 things that are within your grasp that you can do. Okay, so maybe it's that you can write someone a letter, or you can watch your favorite show, or you can do some kind of online work. Whatever it is, write down 3 things that you can do, and then today, this very day, do one of those things and enjoy it. Have a great day.